So I'm in my local camera shop the other day, and they're running their 25th anniversary event. And at the event, they have various representatives from various companies: Canon, DJI, Sony, Fujifilm, and I stumble across the DJI stall. And there they have all of their stuff displayed. They've got the DJI Mini 3, they've got the RS3 Pro, they've got the RS3, they've got their OM5, they've got all of their latest and greatest devices. And on the table, I see this little black box. And I'm just like, what is that? Because out of everything here, that's cool. Like that looks different. It's in a black box. Immediately screams to me that this is something cool. And the guy carries on explaining to me that this is DJI's mic. This thing here. They have a mic. I didn't know DJI did a mic. If I knew they did a mic, well, I probably would have bought it earlier. That's probably what would have happened. But instead, I bought it now because he was explaining how great this thing is, and I just had to have it because it looks so cool. Like, okay, let's open this up, and you'll see for yourself what I mean by this looks so cool. So yeah, so we're gonna just kind of go here. I'm not gonna use a knife or anything because this thing is just really kind of easy to just open up, and just chuck that to the side. And then here we've got less shiny, and I always get stuck because there's a way to open these things, and I never manage to do it the right way. There's a little thing here. There's a little. I'll just take this, rip that, stick that there, and now I should. There you go. There you go. And then that opens up there, and then this comes off, and this has something in there. It's got a little pouch. So this pouch has little wind muffs, USB connector, and the audio jack for it to plug into your camera when you need it. So we're just going to kind of pop that all onto one side. And then inside here, guys, look at this. Inside here, they have the box. So there you go. Everything else is empty. So I'm just going to take this, close that up, and then put that to the side. And then here you go. Here's the little box. So just gonna again a little bit of nice. Oh, that just kind of popped off. Ooh, see, this thing is heavy. It feels nice even without. Let's just put that inside. Even without me opening it. Come on, look how nice it looks. It feels really good, nice and heavy. It feels good in the hand. It feels premium. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break very easily. And if I open it, so if I just do a little. Ooh, there you go. You can see in here, it's already on, synced, and charging. It looks like something from the future. So you can see the kind of the I don't know whether you can see, but you can see the kind of like charging lights show up, and then you've got the mic set inside of here. So inside of here, what you've got here, either side, you have what is your transmitters. So you can take these are your actual mics. So these two mics are the transmitters, and then here you've got your receiver. So this receiver comes with a little cold shoe thing that you can kind of fit in, and it also has a lightning jack thingy. So just like that. There you go. That's focused. There's a little lightning connector, and then it also has in the box this little USB connector. So oh god, this is a USB-C connector. I think there you go. So this is a little USB-C connector, and that basically means that you can connect this mic not just to your camera, but you can also connect it to any device that has a USB-C connection. So that can be a mobile phone, any other smartphone, Android smartphone, or even a USB enabled laptop, potentially a MacBook, whatever else it is. And again, you can also connect it to your iPhone because it has that lightning connector. And this transmitter automatically syncs this receiver automatically syncs to the transmitter. And this cold shoe mount or hot shoe mount basically means you can mount it on top of anything that has a cold shoe. So whether that be a cage, right on top of your camera, whatever else it is, it just kind of mounts on top of that. And these has this little clip here, so I can just basically come on. There you go, open it up, clip it there, and there you go. Got my little audio device clipped to my chest. If I want it a bit higher, you can just kind of clip it a little bit higher, and it does it. Oh, it's started recording. Press the record button. This thing has internal recording as well. So if you want to be recording your audio both through your camera and through this, then you can have pure internal recording, which is, I think, dual channel recording, meaning that it records 2 audio streams, one at the full volume and one at 6 decibels lower, so that if you do have peaking and stuff like that, you can easily swap between the two, and that stabilizes your volume across the board. And that's a fantastic feature, because I think that means that you know, you do have that little ability to stabilize your volume. You're not losing quality audio. And so this is recording right now, so actually if we just switch to the audio here, then you can hear exactly what it will sound like coming directly out of this mic. So you can hear how sensitive that is, and I'm presuming that the USB-C connection here on this side means that I can connect this up and then extract the audio. And it has about 15 hours. Each of these has about 15 hours of internal recording time. I think 15 or 14 hours, something like that. It's got a lot of memory in them, meaning that you can record a lot of audio in one go. It's not just kind of a limited 1 hour, 2 hour thing. The amount of audio you can record with this is quite a lot. So I can't hear this back, so I don't know exactly how this sounds. I'll put a note on here in terms of when I'm doing the post-production editing as to what I think that it sounds like, but I don't imagine it to sound bad. Like if we swap now between the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, which I've got right up here, so this is what the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus sounds like, and now if we switch back into the DJI Mini, which I'm holding not too far away from my mouth either, I'm kind of holding it in my hand, this is what the DJI Mini sounds like. So you can see for yourself, you can actually hear for yourself the clear differences in audio, if there is any difference in quality of the two devices in terms of audio, which one's clear, which one's not. Remember, I haven't set this up properly, so this is literally just recording out of the box straight into the mic, internal recording, and that's it. That's that. Like if I just put it here, or if I just kind of pop it to my shirt, you might hear a bit of static. Actually, this thing has like this little magnet thing. There is a little magnet connector. There you go. Wow, that's strong. It's got this teeny little magnet connector. So if I wanted to, I can just pop it behind my shirt and it just connects. It's like the DJI Action, the DJI Action 2, which I reviewed recently. It literally just, it's a magnet, it connects. I love this thing that DJI does. So DJI products I love because of how kind of innovative they are. I do genuinely, guys, when are you gonna sponsor me? Come on, DJI, you gotta sponsor me. You gotta give me something for this. I love your products. I love DJI's products. This is not a sponsored video. I did buy this with my own money, by the way, just so you guys know. However, what I will do is I will leave links to this bad boy down in the description box below. And these will be Amazon associate links. So if you do click it to buy it, then I will get a small amount of commission from that. So please do click it. It helps the channel. But yeah, you guys can hear. Now I'm going to switch back to this mic because I don't know what the quality is going to come out looking like this. I do want to set it up properly before I actually start using it. So I'm just going to turn this off. There you go. And then pop that back in here. And there you go. It started charging again. I don't know whether you guys can see, but here the charging starts pretty much automatically as soon as I pop it back in the box. So there you have it, guys. This is the DJI mic. I'm gonna go and probably do a proper audio test and then come back with another video reviewing this bad boy completely, and what I think of it, and after using it for a little while, what my thoughts are in terms of how good this is compared to how good a Rode NTG or a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus is in terms of using for your video work and capturing your audio as part of your video work, whether that be for vlogging or internal studio work like this, or using for your YouTube videos, whatever else it is that you're gonna. One of my lights just, I think that's a clue. One of my lights just completely died here because it was on battery. Anyways, shows a little bit of ambience in this. That's a sign. This is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to see more unboxings and review videos, then click one of the links on the screen right now. It's Kai24 signing out.